We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa D.I.Ys and on our simple, slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. I know we're still in the middle of winter, but somehow I feel like I'm coming out of my little hibernation. And with that, I feel like I want to do some more DIY, much to Massi's dismay. So we have taken the plunge and gone for a very moody...
We or you?
We/me. We're going for an extremely...
I think just take away the slash and just say
let me
you.
talk. We've gone for an extreme... I've gone for a dark academia. That's what it's called. Dark academia. I thought, let me embrace the tiles. There is nothing we can do right now, so why not just embrace them and make it even nicer and cozier. So,
And turn your bathroom into a cave.
So anyway, I have done the majority of other things. Massi's now doing the difficult part, which is the ceiling, because he's bought the tiniest roller. Anyway, let's not talk about that. It is a charcoal grey.
It's called zombie.
It's called zombie. I promise you it'll look beautiful.
I promise you it's very zombie.
It'll look beautiful once we're done, once all the gold bits are in, and we're going to put a gold tap in. It's going to look wonderful.
It's going to look very zombie.
What? Watch this space.
You can't really watch the space, it's very black. You're not going to see much on it.
Whatever. You'll see, it'll be nice, I promise you.
Nice and black.
Day 3 of the zombie bathroom. Let me open up the window so we can let a bit of light in so you guys can understand. It's very windy today. Tanto per cambiare. Just to make a change, it's windy. Anyway, I like the fact that we painted the ceiling. It sort of cocoons it all. Yeah, I like it. It's not bad. Of course, we have that huge boiler. In Italian bathrooms, they like to have their boilers in the bathroom, which is super annoying. But anyway, in England, they have them inside the ceiling. Anyway, it's not bad. So day 3 is looking good. Just got to give it a second coat today, and then I'm going to clean all the tiles and yeah, put everything together. I'm just going to put it in the bath. Okay, as you can tell, Massi is now fixing the little chandelier.
I'm trying to get a shock.
He's trying to get a shock, hopefully not. So we varnished it actually with some gold paint, just to match the mirror and all the picture frames and all of that. The light is actually off at the moment because he's trying to fix it. Let's hope it works. You blend in nicely with your top and your gloves, Mas.
Okay.
So while Massi is trying to fix the chandelier, which is a little chandelier, and actually I want the chain to be, it hasn't even got a chain. I want it really short, because obviously it being a bathroom, we don't want the chandelier really to hang very low. So he's doing that. I, in the meantime, have got my little scraper, my little sponge, and I'm just going around all the edges of the tiles, taking off all the paint and anywhere else where I can find big blobs of paint, and then I'm gonna wash it all down and give the tiles a good clean, and hopefully then we can clean everything and move everything back in. Oh, that looks lovely against the dark colour. I like it. Well done. We took a bit of a break from the bathroom DIY and we went and met Angela and Lillo and the girls and their nephew Rico. Angela and Lillo have a YouTube channel called The Sicilian Dream,
and Rico is incredible. We'll show you why in a little bit. Anyway, we discovered this amazing restaurant in Cassibile and it's called Paper Moon and we absolutely love it.
We're here with our lovely friends and their nephew, right? Rico and the girls. Hey girls. Arrabbiata, arrabbiata. What's yours?
Quattro stagioni.
Quattro stagioni, arrabbiata. Massi's got a burger.
Burger tonight.
Burger. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
He goes, it's for your eyes. I said,
Maria, ma c'è come siete a posto? Stasera, ma nipote, mi portare il cane a sto ristorante. Vedi che bello, le mi fecero che sono dolci speciali. Però io le faccio meglio, India. Ogni domenica quando viene tutte le manipote ci faccio questi belli dolci. Io whisky per la madre.
Brilliant. Love it, yay. Yeah, limoncello, Massi, what you got? Grappa?
Meanwhile, back in Floridia on my way to work, this was the end tail of Carnival and this is all I got. This is all the footage I managed to get for this year in Carnival. Unfortunately, I had been extremely busy with lessons and didn't have time.
Beautiful day. A little bit cloudy, but wind has died down, thank goodness. We've just woken up. We're gonna have a cup of coffee out here on the porch. Good morning.
morning.
Good morning. I've just come back from the shop and I've bought a few things just to decorate the bathroom. The important thing that I needed was a curtain rod to put up the curtains. Now, I already had these curtains. These were in the spare bedroom and actually the color goes really nicely. It's just like a linen grey color. So these I'm going to upcycle and those will be used in the bathroom with this sort of goldish, but it's quite a mute gold, which is quite nice. So that will go in there. I then just bought a soap dispenser, which I think will go nicely because it's grey and gold. I'm a bit worried about adding all this gold, but let's see how it goes. If I think that it's too much, I might just take it away. Then I just bought a little tray, gold again, a back scrubber, which I need one of those. And then I've got all these pictures that I want to put up, but this time I don't want to put up on the tiles. I want to put them up on the actual dark wall. So I just painted the frames in a little bit of a gold, a mute gold. So there's that one. There's that one. I love this, like i paesani, yeah. And then the man that you've seen before, actually I painted this when I was 18 or 17 years old. And then the little carretto siciliano, which I love. Okay, pictures are up. Massi said I put too many pictures up. I don't know. I think they look all right. Just breaks up the dark of the paint. Right, I'm just waiting for Massi now to come back and put up the curtain rod. For the curtains, I've added this little tray here and that will go on a piece of furniture that we are going to be painting and putting there. All right, not too bad. Yeah, just extend it a little bit maybe. Okay, nice. Thank you very much.
You're right.
Okay, yesterday was my son's birthday and Massimo and I made him some pasta al forno with like peas and boiled eggs. Absolutely really nice. And we've got another tray leftovers which I'm just going to warm up and we're going to have that for lunch. And
and if you want to know how Massi makes this pasta al forno, which is a little bit different to how I would have made it, and mine never turned out nicely, and now I've got Massi's recipe, let us know in the comments below and we'll get him to do it maybe in the next video. And because we're missing summer a little bit, I thought we'd post a video we did a while back. It's a fantastic recipe in an amazing place. So I did post it on Patreon, but then I decided why not, I should post it on here just to let everybody see this wonderful recipe. So enjoy.
We've come to this beautiful location. We're going to do a very interesting seafood dish today. Simple, less cook, more freshness, okay? Let me show you what we're going to do. So I've got myself a beautiful octopus, which I've obviously pre-cooked. I'm going to show you how to prepare that to make a wonderful salad, fresh, nice, cool, beautiful. Right, so the main ingredient is the octopus, which I've just showed you. I'm going to show you some more interesting ingredients that we're going to be using. Our other ingredients are potatoes, carrots, celery, olives. These are our own olives that we picked last year. I'm sure you remember and you saw in the other videos before. Some nice fresh parsley and some garlic. We've got some beautiful olive oil, which we have made our own olive oil. If you watch our other videos, you'll see how we've done that. We've got some seasoning, salt, pepper. We got capers, which I'm going to wash off. They're obviously in salt. I'm going to wash them off now. Taking my garlic, putting that on my board, squashing it, getting the cover off it. So I'm going to take that cover off. What I want to do is take out the soul of it. Otherwise, it's going to be too strong. Garlic is very strong if you don't take the soul out. That is the middle of it. You want to take that out. That is where most of the potency of the garlic is. So you just get rid of the center of it. See all these little fibers? You've got to get them out of there. As you can see, I've prepared the olives. We're taking the seeds out of them. I'm going to leave them roughly chopped. So I'm going to get a few of them, put them on my chopping board, and I'm going to roughly chop them up. Okay, now we're going to get our veggies ready. We have pre-cooked them. We've boiled them off. You don't want to get them too softly boiled. You want to leave them a little bit crunchy. So I'm going to get a couple of carrots, my celery. I'm going to chop them up. Rough chop is very good. So I'm going to take them like that, slice them halfway, and I'm going to roughly chop that up. Another main ingredient, which makes it nice and hearty, is our potatoes. We've boiled them off. We haven't made them very soft. They need to be boiled off just the right. I normally use a waxy potato, but people do like using different potatoes. This is a Yukon potato. Very good for salads. It's a very multi-use potato. So you want to just roughly chop that as well. I normally take it in half and half again. And then I just roughly chop that up. Bite-sized chunks. This is a flat leaf parsley. I find it has more taste to it than a curly parsley. But yeah, you're free to choose it and use as you wish. Right, the most important ingredient is the octopus. I have cooked it off. How have I cooked it off? I've taken it, I've put it in water, I've boiled it off for 40 minutes. Right, so I'm chopping up the tentacles. You want to separate them all. Take your tentacles and you want to do this the same, bite-sized chunks. So you take them, hold them together, and you cut them into bite-sized chunks. I like it nice and big, rough chop. Gives it a lot more texture. It's a nice salad like that. Take that and you add that on the top of your salad. Get that straight on there. Right, so before you actually get all your juices on there, you want to put the rest of your ingredients on there. So I'm going to get the parsley on top of that. And put my capers on there. Get my olives. Put them on there. I'm going to keep the garlic quite whole. So I'm going to take it off in pieces so we don't eat that. Or if you want, you can eat it. Garlic is good. Get that all on there. And get some salt. Obviously, you want salt on everything. Get some black pepper. Put some black pepper on that. I've got a little bit of chili pepper, which I like to use as well. Gonna put some of that on. Obviously, not exaggerating with the chilies. You want it to be pleasant tasting. That's our own homemade olive oil. Yummy! Right, the last but not least is the lemon. You want to take that, and it's important to put it on last because lemon dissolves everything. So you take that, catch all your seeds, and get your lemon juice in there. You want a lot of lemon. Octopus and lemon, very, very good combination. So you want to squeeze as much lemon as you can. I'm going to use a whole lemon on that. You got all your ingredients on, all your dressings and what have you. You're going to have to mix that all up. I'm doing this at the sea, as you can see. I'm not in the kitchen. Not really bothered about making a few bits fall all over the place. It's all part of the fun that we're having. Going to mix that all up. Make sure you mix it in really good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Bet you don't get to eat that at the beach every day. Different scenes, that's why we have to see today. I got some octopus we'd like to taste. Come have a taste.
Sorry, I don't like that octopus.
You should try it.
It's like friendly for beginners.
Okay.
Beginners.
We have found somebody that's going to taste my octopus. Right. So I'm going to take a bit of the salad. He says to me he doesn't eat octopus. Let's see if he'd like this octopus. I'm going to give him a small bit of octopus on that. With a bit of potatoes. There you go. Open up. How is that? Yeah.
For beginner, quite
Welcome.
good.
What's your name?
Thank you. Welcome.
Volker. You're from Germany, right? Welcome to Sicily. Hope you enjoyed that. And if you want some, I'll invite you to have some.
All right. Thank you so much.
It was nice.
Can you believe it?
But extra, yeah.
We got a German tourist tasting our octopus. He's never got tasted it before. He was scared.
He actually enjoyed that, yeah. So, well, it doesn't matter if you like it or if you don't like it. That's just proof to say people look at octopus and they don't like it. Yeah. There's your proof. People do like it, even if they have never eaten it before. Right, guys. That is my improvised. It's not improvised. It's actually a good recipe. I've improvised. I'm saying improvised because we have to see. That's the finished salad. That does look really good. And I'm starting to get more hungry as I look at it. So we're going to tuck in. Come here. Right, so
Woo!
me and Maria are going to now have lunch.
Ooh.
It's lunchtime. We're going to have some, obviously, octopus salad. And we got some watermelon for after. So let's see how that
Let's tuck in
goes.
the octopus first.
Yeah, let's give that a taste.
Buon appetito, amore.
Appetito.
Oh,
Really good.
amazing.
Very good.
I love the sweetness of the carrot together with the potatoes.
It's all pretty goodly. It's
The
well
octopus?
combined, yeah.
Wonderful. It's delicate because you've got a bit of lemon. Then you've got the oil. We've got our olives.
I'll even say that's good.
I mean, we won't be able to eat all of this, but I'll definitely have this for dinner. Wow. Well done. Well done, Chef Massi.
You're welcome.
I can't stop eating this, actually.
Put it down.
Mm.
It's enough now.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this little summer vibe in the middle of winter, and we'll see you next time with a brand new one. Ciao, and don't forget to check out our Patreon page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao, alla prossima.